Hello and welcome to our Python class. I am Manikchand Patnaik from Roland Institute of Technology, bring to you the wonderful journey of learning Python. Let us start. Before we start our learning journey of Python, we need to install some Python tools. And the best tool is there, which is the PyCharm. And the PyCharm comes from a company, Jetbrains. So before we install anything from Jetbrains, we need to install its toolbox. This is the site. You can go jetbrains.com toolbox app. We need to download and install this application in our system. As I have already installed it, I can just open it from here, Jetbrains Toolbox. Different software is available, and from all this we need to find out which is there for Python. So here is PyCharm Professional is there, and then at the bottom you will be having PyCharm Community. Which software would you like? It depends upon you. This is a paid software, and Community, that one is a free one. So let us start to download. This PyCharm Professional is downloading. It's going to take some time. We will resume our discussion after it has got to download. Now we can see here that PyCharm Professional has installed. And triple dot you can see. Settings are there, what is new, other versions, and run an administrator. All these are there. So now we can just click on it and PyCharm will start. Then here some prompts of USC will be there. It wants to import some settings from the C library. It's not needed. So in this PyCharm window, we will be doing our learning of Python. We will start with a basic hello. Let's start with a new project. Here in this window, we can see that the name of the project is given here, Python project, and the location is provided over here. And if you want to create a repository, this will be done, and if welcome script is needed. Basically for the beginners, these things are not required. So this Python version, this is also shown over here. Just we need to press the create button. Then Python 3.12.2, that's getting downloaded now. After that gets downloaded, it will be installed automatically. There won't be any prompts. So that's quite clean way to install things. Let's wait till this finishes. Now that Python 3.12.2 is getting installed, it will take some time, just a little bit. The continuous screen refresh that you might be watching in the background. Now it has created a Venv virtual environment. The Venv concept is very good because it keeps all your different Python projects separate by creating an environment for the project itself. So the conflicting projects can exist in the same system. Means those packages which conflict with each other, the several packages which conflict with each other, they can remain because those conflicting packages, they will be confined inside the project's directory only. They will not go out of it. So you can see .venv, you can see this is the library for root, and here your packages, they are going to be stored, and this is this scripts folder. Inside this your pip, etc., Python, these things are there. And these external libraries, these are already installed, maybe globally you can say. Now the project is created. Now we are going to create the Python files and start our work. Now we're going to create a Python file. Right click on the project and click on new. Then different files are there. Click on Python file. Okay. we need to type the name hello.py, press enter. The Python file got created, and here we are typing print right hello world. Okay, so let us close this window, and this is the run. When you click on the run, it shows hello world over here. This is the output.